Okay, so good morning. I'm back. And so for our topic number 4, we have finding the geometric means. So to solve for the geometric means of a given geometric sequence, the formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1, where n is the number of terms and a sub 1 is the first term. So let us try example number 1. Insert two geometric means between 5 and 40. And so we have this type of problem. You can see here that 5 is the first term, no second term, no third term, and 40 is the last term. So understanding this type of problem, we can say that this sequence has 4 terms, in which there are no a sub 2 and a sub 3. So in short, using the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1, the given becomes a sub 1 is equal to 5, a sub n is equal to 40. It is understood that the last term is 40. And then n is equal to 4. So meaning there are 2 given terms plus 2 missing terms is equal to 4 number of terms. And so we don't have r, or the common ratio. We need to find the common ratio in order to determine the arithmetic means. So what is that number that we are going to multiply to 5? And so let us now substitute all the given in the formula. So we have 40 is equal to 5 times r raised to 4 minus 1. So please remember that n minus 1 is an exponent of r. So don't forget to enclose r in a parenthesis. And then simplifying the problem, we have 40 is equal to 5 times r raised to third power, because 4 minus 1 is 3. Now, we need to eliminate 5 on the right side of the equation since we need to get r. In short, to eliminate that, we will divide 40 by 5. And so, what is left is r cubed on the right. And then 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to r cubed. Now, r cubed is this will be changed from a radical expression. Because in order to eliminate an exponent, you have to rewrite this into a radical expression. It will look like this. So it becomes cube root of 8. And so, cube root of 8 is equal to cube root of r cubed. So we can now cancel 3. And so, we have just cube root of 8 is equal to r. So the radical symbol on the right side of the equation is now eliminated. Now, when we speak of cube root of 8, you think of a number that when multiplied by itself again and again. So in this case, 3 times. Think of a number that when multiplied 3 times will give you 8. And that will be 2. So because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So we have now a common ratio of 2. Now that we have the ratio, we will now multiply it to 5 times 2. So first term is 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 times 2 is 20. And so the geometric means are 10, 20. Okay? Another example. Find the geometric mean between 2 and 50. So let us express the problem this way. So again, we have the first term 2 and the last term 50. Find geometric mean. So meaning there's only one missing term. And so we don't have a sub 2. Now, it becomes 2 becomes a sub 1 and 50 becomes a sub 3. Shall we use the same formula that I gave you a while ago? Of course not, since we are only looking for one missing term. And so, how do we solve that? So basically, we have a sub 1 is 2, a sub 1 is, a sub n is 50. So this time we use the formula for geometric mean with one missing term, which is m is equal to square root of a, b. A, b stands for the first term and the last term. So we just simplify. Oops, nauna yung sagot. O, m equals 10. So, paano naging sagot? 2 times 50, so multiply natin siya. That is equal to 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. It can be positive 10 or negative 10. So, mas madali po kapag siya ay isa lang ang nawawala. That's it. Bye-bye.